We understand how crucial it is to access the right information instantly, especially for field and remote agents. That's why Salesmate now offers page layout customization for mobile and tablets. Let's get started. Design mobile layout in Web View. With this new update, you can now access page layout settings from the Salesmate web app. To begin customizing, open Salesmate and click on the profile icon, then navigate to the settings menu. From there, select the module you want to customize, such as deals or contacts, and choose the Customize Page Layout option. Once inside the settings, you'll notice a screen type indicator, which helps you identify whether the selected layout is available on web, mobile, or both. If you wish to make modifications, simply hover over the layout name and tap on the Actions menu to start editing. Salesmate now allows you to enable the Custom Mobile Layout option, giving you full control over which views should be available within the mobile app. If you decide to disable this option, the layout will no longer be visible on mobile devices. Once the mobile layout is enabled, you'll be presented with two options to set it up. You can either copy layout from desktop, which replicates all widgets, sections, and settings from the desktop version, or you can choose to start fresh, creating a blank layout from scratch. After selecting your preferred method, you can begin personalizing the mobile interface by adding widgets under either an accordion or tab view. Simply drag and drop fields to rearrange them for better accessibility and a seamless user experience. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap the Save button, and your customized layout will be applied to the selected module. Customize mobile navigation. Just like in the web app, Salesmate now lets you customize mobile navigation for a more streamlined workflow. To do this, go to the Settings menu, navigate to MISC, and open the Custom Navigation section. From there, switch to the Mobile tab to view and modify navigation options. Enabling the Customize Quick Navigation feature allows users to personalize their mobile menu, making it easier to access important modules, arrange items for faster workflows, and hide unnecessary options. This ensures a truly user-centric experience, tailored to the way you work. Customizing mobile layout in the mobile app. Now that we've configured the mobile layout in the web app, let's see how it translates to the Salesmate mobile app. Similar to the web version, navigation customization is also possible directly from your mobile or tablet. By tapping the three-bar menu, you'll find the option to customize navigation at the bottom. From here, you can easily rearrange or hide menu items that are not needed in your interface. Once done, simply tap the check mark to save your changes. A key feature to keep in mind is that you can add up to 4 options in quick navigation, which will be placed in the footer section as default. This allows for faster access to the most frequently used features. Additionally, switching between different layouts on mobile is effortless. By opening a record in any module, you'll notice a layout icon on the detail screen, allowing you to switch between the different views configured in the web app. This flexibility ensures that you always have the most relevant information at your fingertips, regardless of how your workflow evolves. And that's it. You have successfully customized your page layout in the Salesmate mobile app. Try it out today and take full control of how you interact with Salesmate on the go.